present our topic is solution of first order partial differential equation. So what is the partial differential equation? First of all, suppose any surface f of x, y, z, a comma b which is equal to 0 is one surface equation. In this surface, if we eliminate these two arbitrary constants, in this surface eliminate arbitrary constants, we get the partial differential equation. The partial differential equation is capital F of x by z pq equal to 0, where p is dou z by dou x, q is dou z by dou y. Okay, this is surface integral, surface equation. In the surface equation, a comma b are two arbitrary constant. If we eliminate these two arbitrary constants from the given surface, we get the partial differential equation. That leading partial differential equation is, so in terms of x, y, z and derivative terms p, q, which is equal to 0, where p is dou z by dou x and q is dou z by dou y. P is dou z by dou x and q is dou z by dou y. Eliminating these two constants, we get the partial differential equation. So now our topic is solution of partial differential equation. Solution of this partial differential equation. Okay, right. See here is differential equation capital F of x by z pq equal to 0. It is a differential equation. I am representing the differential equation is 1. Equation 1. Okay. Suppose any relation, a relation of the form f of x by z a b equal to 0. A relation of the form f of x by z a b equal to 0 of two arbitrary constant. A relation of the form x by z a comma b equal to 0. Here a comma b are two arbitrary constant, and it satisfies the differential equation, and this relation satisfies the differential equation. Then we call the function, the relation f of x y z a comma b equal to 0 is called the complete integral. That relation is called the complete integral. Complete integral means any relation, okay, a relation f of x y z a comma b equal to 0 where a comma b are arbitrary constant. So this relation satisfies the differential equation. Then we call this relation is called the complete integral. Okay, it's enough. Next, general integral. General integral or general solution. General integral or general solution. A relation phi of u comma v equal to 0. A relation phi of u comma v equal to 0, where u is function of x by z and v is also function of x by z. Okay, phi is arbitrary function. Here phi is arbitrary function. Phi of u comma v equal to 0, where u is function of x by z and v is also function of x by z. An arbitrary function is function of u comma v. Phi is an arbitrary function, is function of u comma v. So this relation satisfies the equation 1. If this relation satisfies the equation 1, then we call this relation is called the general solution or general integral of the given differential equation. Okay, if this relation satisfies the given partial differential equation, then we call this relation is called the general integral or general solution. Next one is particular integral. Last one is particular integral. Particular integral or particular solution. Okay, the solution is obtained. So this particular solution is obtained by determining arbitrary constants from the complete integral. The solution is obtained by determining arbitrary constants from the complete integral by using some specified conditions. Okay, that is the solution is obtained by determining arbitrary constants. By determining arbitrary constants from complete integral. integral or complete solution. Complete integral or complete solution by using some specified conditions. Some specified conditions. Some specified conditions is called the particular integral. So particular integral means the solution is obtained by determining arbitrary constants. Is obtained by determining arbitrary constants from complete integral or complete solution. So with the some conditions, by using some specified condition, that solution is called the particular integral or particular solution. R. The solution is obtained by determining arbitrary constant in complete integral, arbitrary function in general integral. General integral or general solution. So simply a solution is obtained by determining arbitrary constants in complete integral or arbitrary function in general integral by using some specified conditions. That solution is called the complete integral. So last one is singular integral or singular solution. So wait here for a second. Okay, singular solution or singular integral. See here, the equation of envelope. The equation of envelope of a two-parameter family of surface. The equation of envelope of a two-parameter family of surface representing the complete integral. It represents the complete integral of a given partial differential equation. The complete integral of a given partial differential equation. So this is called the singular solution or singular integral. That means complete integral is f of x by z a comma b equal to 0 is complete integral of a given PD. Is the complete integral of a given PD. So integral surface is obtained. So the integral surface is obtained by eliminating a comma b from this complete integral. Okay, surface obtained. Surface is obtained by eliminating a comma b, a and b, eliminating a and b from f equal to 0. F equal to 0 means, so given equation f of x y z a comma b equal to 0 is complete integral of a given PD. Is complete integral of a given PD. The surface is obtained by eliminating a and b from f equal to 0. Okay, surface is obtained by eliminating a and b from f equal to 0. So that is dou f by dou a. Differentiate partial with respect to a, which is equal to 0. This is one equation action. Dou f by dou b equal to 0. These two are the envelopes of a given surface. These two are the envelopes. Is envelopes. Okay, these are envelopes. Okay, these are envelopes, and hence is the singular solution. Singular solution. Okay, so thank you friends. So please subscribe.